Welcome to Airbnb. In this video, we will be covering 3 basic economic concepts and discuss their application in the case of Airbnb: demand and supply, market structure, and transaction costs. The analysis of any market begins with understanding the fundamental concepts of demand and supply. These concepts indicate the market's willingness to buy and its ability to produce a specific good or service. They essentially show the connection between the price of a product and the quantity of that product that is bought and sold within a market. In addition, consumer and producer surplus indicates the variance between the cost of production or the willingness to pay for a good or service and its actual price. By utilizing the principles of demand and supply, we can gain a better understanding of the issues in the traditional accommodation market and how the Airbnb platform can be advantageous for both its guests and hosts in terms of consumer and producer surplus. Prior to Airbnb's emergence, the travel accommodation market was mainly controlled by traditional hotels with minimal competition. However, with Airbnb's entry, the market experienced a noteworthy transformation. The range of accommodation options expanded to include traditional hotels, individual homeowners, and hostel providers on Airbnb. This surge in supply caused prices to decrease due to increased competition, leading to a more efficient market with improved advantages for both providers and consumers. In order to identify different types of markets, we use the concept of market structure. Market structure helps us define and categorize markets based on 4 major categories: nature of product, ease of entry, number of sellers, and availability of information. A perfectly competitive market should have the following 5 characteristics. All products are identical. There are a large number of sellers in the market. It is easy to enter the market. There is perfect information available to both buyers and sellers, and all suppliers are price takers. By examining the market structure of the travel accommodation market, we can gain better insight into how Airbnb has disrupted the traditional hotel industry. Before Airbnb, the travel accommodation market offered a variety of products, with each hotel brand or room being unique. The market was dominated by a few sellers with well-established hotel brands, making it difficult for new entrants to compete due to high capital entry barriers and imperfect information. Therefore, it can be concluded that the travel accommodation market structure was far from being perfectly competitive. Since the introduction of Airbnb, it has become much easier to enter the travel accommodation market. The barriers to entry, such as the need for a lot of capital and strong branding, have been significantly reduced. This has made short-term rentals more profitable and viable. Many individual suppliers have entered the market, offering a wide range of services and increasing competition. The travel accommodation market has expanded significantly following the emergence of Airbnb. With over 5 million hosts and various other options such as traditional hotels, the market now offers a wide range of diverse products. Airbnb has reduced the cost of entry, making it easier for hosts to join the market. This has led to more data being available on pricing, service quality, and the availability of different options, although there is still some imperfect information. As a result, the travel accommodation market is moving closer to a perfectly competitive market with lower entry barriers and increased competition, theoretically making it more efficient. Transaction costs refer to the total expenses associated with market transactions. These costs include planning, research, decision-making, negotiation, and enforcement expenses. By considering transaction costs, we can understand how Airbnb has created a market that more closely resembles perfect competition and efficiency. Airbnb has achieved this by using technology and a peer-to-peer platform business model to reduce these factors. Airbnb has developed a central marketplace that reduces transaction costs for both guests and hosts. The platform employs machine learning algorithms to suggest listings, which lowers search and research-related expenses for guests. Additionally, standardized booking and payment methods have reduced negotiation and payment processing costs for hosts. Airbnb also takes care of risk-related expenses such as insurance, refunds, and property damage through its host protection scheme. The platform's reputation system and review mechanisms also help to minimize additional enforcement costs.